Salutations.
Welcome back, y'all.
Yes, welcome. So, we wanted to show you our ready-to-wear head wraps. And this is the women's.
Queens first.
Yes, okay. This is ready-to-wear. You don't have to tie it or anything. It comes already wrapped. Take you around the back. Natural pleats in the back. Got the elastic piece for the adjustable. Easy stretch to fit. And I mean, you just put it right over top of your head. You can turn it over to the side a little bit, get a different look. Take a gas.
Different angles.
Turn to the other side.
Turn to the other side.
There you go. Wow. I'm just saying.
Who we talking about?
Okay.
Who we talking about?
Want some edge candy? Lean it all the way back.
Edge candy. Okay.
And there you go.
Edge candy. All right.
It doesn't get more simple than that. It's very, very simple, very easy.
And of course, we got something for you fellas. All the kings out there.
The matching. Queen. Yes. The king matching the queen. Queen matching the king. I mean, what else can you ask for? Look at that.
Just all the way around.
Nice.
I don't care if you got a high top fade.
Yeah.
I don't care if you got waves. And even if you got some dreads. It's gonna fit, or you know, if you're growing your hair out in general, it's gonna fit.
It's very nice. I love this one.
You know, stylish, and of course it's gonna be summertime, so rock that. Imagine you and the family, and we just not talking about. Oh yeah, you're always underneath, you know, protection as well. But you and the family.
I was showing them a different little style.
You and the family, style it out.
Yes,
just imagine. An artist?
Exactly.
What we doing?
Imagine you as the queen. You got your little princess. She has on a head wrap matching yours. Ba-boom.
And you got your kings out there with your princes matching. Of course. Bow out there. Flexing, dripping.
Cute. Okay, all of you all are on the same accord. And you just imagine walking into a place and y'all all just stunting. You know?
Now, bigger than that, it's a family affair. So we already know when the weather starts warming up.
Yes.
That means the party starts to warm up. Imagine you got my mom over in the cut, pop over in the cut. You got the cousins over in the cut playing the cards, you feel me?
Yes.
Get it. Love it.
This takes 2 seconds to put on. I'm going to do another video just showing how easy it is to put it on. Because I already had this one on in the video. But it's literally, you just pick it up, place it on your head, do a couple of these. And you're good to go. Fluff this part, you barely have to do that. But you know, if it was in the back of your car for a couple weeks and you just grabbed it out of there, give it a quick little fluff. You know, you got a bad hair day or something. This is perfect to like keep in the car. This would be an emergency hair care.
There you go.
Just throw it on to over top, boom.
Exactly.
Stunting. Don't nobody need to know what's going on under here.
Nobody needs to know. Fellas, you on your way to the barber? Or you just got back from a barber that man messed you up.
I like that.
Pop. You feel me?
Fellas, keep it in your car too.
Keep it in your car, bro.
We know your barber like to line you up and who he talking to across the room. What you carrying on the conversation for?
It happens. It happens sometimes.
And then zoop.
You know.
Now that is a free haircut. Ain't that right? Right?
Have fun with it. Share it with the family and your loved ones. But all in all, support.
Yes.
That's what we're here for.
These are available at qkjj.org.
You can't get it at Gucci.
Yes.
But you can get it at qkjj.org.
Exactly.
That's where you can get it at. That's where you can get it at.
Yes. Very exclusive. Very cute. It just makes you feel beautiful. Like, just wake up and you don't have enough time to do your hair.
I don't even feel beautiful. Let's not even do that. You already are beautiful.
Absolutely.
Just add.
But that accent, yes.
Add to the beauty.
Yes, don't take that the wrong way, but you're already beautiful. But when you put your head wrap on, and women know this, okay, men too, but when you put that head wrap on, that accentuation piece, you're just like, you're like, look at me. Look at me.
Slight, something slight, and you're already mighty. Go ahead, shake the world up. Have fun while you're doing it, and spread the love to the family.
Spread the positive energy and the truth.
The weather about to warm up anyway. It's going to warm up. You're going to have some fun. Spread the love. Spread the fun. Enjoy yourself. QKJJ. Go check it out.